Hi, I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahlebad High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Welcome to my video to all students as well as viewers. Today just we are continuing our inter first year, that is class 11th physics, chapter number 6, work energy power, part number 1. So in this session we will going to learn about the chapter work energy and power. All the student and viewers, one thing I'd like to remind you related to this chapter, that this chapter consists of 8 marks question in your IPE, that is intermediate public examination. So make sure this is one of the important chapter. You have to capture 8 marks from these. So and we don't have any much task also, because in intermediate public examination there is a few specific important questions with us, and most probably this question might ask you in your examination. So that particular few questions, if you that few questions and answer if you learn, means there is a lot of probability to get 8 marks from this chapter. So make sure, keep in your mind that this chapter is one of the chapter coming in 8 marks. So let us start our chapter with like work energy and power. What do you know about work energy and power? Okay, work is nothing but anything. If we are doing something, means that is work. For work we need energy. From energy what we will get? Power, isn't it? Do you find the relation between these three terms? If we want to do something, that is called as work. To do that work we need energy, and yeah, to do that work we need actually power, and power comes from energy. Like this the relation is between these three terms. Now coming to the complete scientific and physical definition related to the work is, I am writing on the board as you can see. Okay, WORK, work is said to be done, or work is said to be completed when the force applied on a body moves. That means if a body moves, means we can say that work is applied it through some distance, distance in the direction of, that means we have particular direction also of force. The force we are applying on a direction, if the body is displaced on that direction, then we can say work is to be done. So for that we can fetch one formula here. WORK, work is equals to force component along we can write simply FORC, force into displacement, DISPLACEMENT, displacement. So we can write this short form as W is equals to FS, but in some cases we will going to call this W is equals to F cos theta and into S. Why we are introducing cos theta? Because we are taking a particular direction of that force. So this force is split into two different components, like vertical component and horizontal component, like cos theta and sin theta. So here we are taking like cos theta. Now next we have to know something about the energy. Okay, for work I am underlining with different color marker. You need to write this definition, very important. Okay, energy, ENERGY, energy is nothing but the STRENGTH, strength required, REQUIED, required for sustaining, SUSTAINING, sustaining or surviving physical and mental activities, you can say PHYSICAL, physical and mental activities. Here VITIES. All the student and viewers, here this energy is mainly consist of living things, but the energy we are producing from machines and non-living thing, it is also indirectly made for human only, for human purpose only. So this is an energy, and in energy we know that we have lot of type of energy with us. Like you know that energy consists of mechanical energy, thermal energy, solar energy, and we can say like SOLAR, etc. End of the thinking capacity. All are consist of ENERGY. Now in this chapter we need to know few things about two types of energies. Okay, that is we need to learn like potential energy, ENERGY energy, and its formula usually mgh, that is m is nothing but mass, gravity, height. And one more thing we have with us like kinetic KINETIC, kinetic energy, and its formula usually we are writing half mv square. Half m is nothing but mass, v is velocity square. So these two things you need to remember related to the energy. Now coming to the speak about power. Okay, what is power? For power you can just remember the formula W is equals to, not W is equals to, P is equals to W by T. So we can say that the power is nothing but it is the work done by time. Simple, you can remember. So this is a basic thing you have to write. Next I have one question. That question is very important and answer also I will explain. As of now you can copy down this. Potential energy. Potential energy of a body can be defined as the energy acquired by the body by virtue of its position or configuration. PE is equals to mgh. What is it means? Simple, I can tell you. If I have a marker with me and this marker is at rest in my hand, the energy possessed in this marker is nothing but potential energy, or else simply we can say that if there is an object which is at rest, then the object possesses or exists potential energy. Same case if marker is coming from here to here, okay, that is, or else it is falling down, then during that duration while it is in motion, the energy acquired or the energy virtues is nothing but kinetic energy. So for kinetic energy we have simple definition with us. As you can see, kinetic energy of a body can be defined as the energy acquired by the body by virtue of its motion. Kinetic energy is equals to half mv square. Here I am writing few terms. Okay, we can say like m is nothing but mass of an object or body, whatever we can say. G is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. Okay, and we have h is nothing but HEI, G HT, height. We have with v with us, v is nothing but here final velocity. Okay, final VELOCITY, final velocity. So this potential energy and kinetic energy might also ask in your examination. Very important for your knowledge point of view as well as examination point of view. One more thing I'd like to inform, like BPC student, those who are looking for NEET, and MPC student for GMAINS, this formula might help you in that like competitive examination. As of now you can copy down. I am standing here few seconds. After that I am using this part of the board and we are moving to one more important topic with us, and the topic name, as you can see on the board, is nothing but WORK, work energy theorem. Okay, ENERGY, energy, THEOREM, and this might ask you in solid 8 marks. Define and explain work energy theorem, and after that it might give you like some defined work, defined potential energy, defined kinetic energy. After this it can ask state and proof work energy theorem, like that. So you need to remember like the definition of work and formula, definition of potential energy and kinetic energy with formula. After that work energy theorem. First we need to write the statement, okay, related to the work energy theorem. First I am writing STATEMENT, statement related to work energy theorem. What work energy theorem says? WORK, work energy, 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 theorem, 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 work energy theorem states that, STATE, states that work done by an object, work done by a force, okay, acting on a body is equal to the change in its kinetic energy, in its KINETIC, kinetic energy. Once again I am reading this statement, very simple. Work energy theorem states that work done by a force acting on a body is equal to the change in its kinetic energy. Here we need to use plural form like its, okay. That is, we can write one formula with us like W is equals to like half. We know that the formula for kinetic energy is nothing but mv square, but here we need to write one more mv square, like here final kinetic energy we can say, here it is an initial kinetic energy. So and the terms you know that here we can say like okay, W is nothing but, what is W, all the student and viewers, work done, and V is nothing but final velocity, final velocity velocity. U is nothing but initial velocity, M is nothing but mass. So this is an important statement you need to remember. Once you copied on this, I am standing few seconds here, copied on, this is an work energy theorem statement. After that we need one proof also. So first of all you copied on this. So hope you have ready with potential energy, kinetic energy definition as well as work energy theorem statement. Now coming to the proof related to the work energy theorem, as you can see here already I wrote few points on the board, like consider a body of mass m. Okay, we are considering one body, like any body we can say, of mass m, moving with a constant initial velocity u. Initially it is moving with a constant velocity u. If a constant force F is applied on the body, then its velocity changes to velocity v, like we can say like final velocity v. Mass is same but its velocity changes like from u to v, whereas we are applying, what we are applying, a constant force on that object. So here you can say there is an like distance between these two objects, we can say from this mid of the object to this mid of the object. For that we need to know one thing about this is displacement, isn't it? Displacement of the body, like you can say S is equals to average velocity, AVE RAGE, average VELOCITY velocity into time. Here average velocity we cannot write like VU or something. Here average velocity is nothing but final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2, like final velocity plus initial velocity divided by 2 into what is time we have with us, t only. So I am considering I got S is equals to V plus U by 2 into t. Now acceleration of body, A is equals to like CHANGE, change in velocity, VELOCITY velocity by divided by time, we can say. So here A is equals to V minus U by t, isn't it? And I am just giving name for this equation like equation 1 and for this as equation number 2. Now work done by force on a body, what is the formula for work done? Yes, come on student, we know that, like work done by a force on the body, we can say is it that is W is equals to F into S. But here F is nothing but MA into S. I am writing since here with different color marker. F is equals to like MA from Newton's second law of motion, and this is related to the chapter number 5. So here M is as it is. In place of A, what I am going to write like V minus U by T. Okay, into, in place of S, what I will going to write like V plus U by 2 into T. This T get cancelled. I am taking 2 as common. It become like M by 2 into here V minus U into V plus U. Again we have one formula with us like algebraic formula, A plus B into A minus B, or else you can say A minus B into A plus B. Both are same, equal to what we have with us, A square minus B square. So here A is nothing, now from this what we got like M by 2 into here it is nothing but V square minus U square. Now I am opening this bracket with M. So it will become like mv square by 2 minus mu square by 2, isn't it? But again I am writing this 2 as half mv square. Why half? Because I need to prove the work energy theorem. Initially we have already described or states half mu square by 2. Hence proof, this is the work energy theorem. Therefore HENCE, hence PROVED, proved. So this is one of the important topic. Now you can copy down this proof. So that's all about our part 1 work energy power, like chapter number 6 physics intermediate first year. I am Syed Rashid. You are watching Ahliabad High School and Junior College YouTube channel. Practice more than one time. Have a great time. Take care. Make sure maintain notes. Notes is compulsory. Thank you.